Thank you for clicking on the thumbnail and watching my video. So you are watching Let's Learn with Fun, and today I'm gonna present simple yet effective speech on Teachers Day in English. It is a sample speech in English for students to convey their wishes and gratitude for teachers. So let's begin with the video. Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted soul who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let us welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teacher on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of President of our country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Students across the country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate and inspire to become better people. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into this society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Thank you everyone. So it is a sample speech on Teachers' Day, and I hope this speech is helpful to you, and if you like my video then please press like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.